Welcome to my channel Indian Spotlight that is designed to help the students and their problems in understanding English as well as literature section. I appreciate that you are spending your quality time in watching the video. In this video हम बात करेंगे preposition के ऊपर as we are well aware of the thing that preposition as a part of speech that would help you to gain a learning atmosphere academically as well as for competitive exams. Academically, it will be very beneficial for solving the gap filling questions and error correction. इस वीडियो में हम आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर तो करेंगे प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस के ऊपर कुछ एग्जाम्पल के साथ. It is a lengthy video, so you have to retain your patience throughout the video till end. मैंने जब प्रीपोजिशन के बारे में पढ़ना चालू किया था तो मैटर बहुत ही complicated था because I was very confused how a same preposition can be used in different places. In this video, I will be doing full-fledged discussion on the topic preposition of place. So let's move forward to the main content. Watch the video till end and stay tuned with the channel for a great learning experience. Firstly, before starting the main content, we must understand what is the definition of preposition. Prepositions are the words that show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and some other word or element in the rest of a sentence. एक सेंटेंस के अंदर प्रीपोजिशन सजेस्ट करता है रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू नाउन्स और a pronoun. Look at the picture. You can understand easily that the sentence of this picture would be the cat is under the table. Here, cat is the noun. Table is the another word or element that is also falls under the category of a noun. Under is the preposition. So under is used here to mean where the cat is. For example, the water is in the glass. So here the two nouns water and glass are combined together or their relationship is been meant by the preposition in. If we ask the question where is the water, then the answer would come in the glass, glass के अंदर. Third sentence, he walks towards the university. So he is a personal pronoun and university that is also a noun. So the relationship between a pronoun and a noun is conveyed by the preposition to words. Kinds of preposition. As we find that there are 5 kinds of prepositions that are broadly used in English grammar. 1. Simple prepositions. Second, compound preposition. Third, double prepositions. Fourth, participle prepositions. And number 5th, phrase prepositions. These kinds of prepositions are given less importance in the academic field but useful for the competitive exam. That is the broad section of understanding the concept of preposition. I will make another video separately to deal with the kinds of preposition. If we talk about the types of preposition, then we can find that it can be classified into 6 categories. Number 1, preposition for time. Number 2, preposition for place. Number 3, preposition for direction. Number 4, prepositions for agent. Number 5, preposition for instrument. And last, prepositional phrase. Out of these, we will be discussing in our next videos only preposition of time, place and direction. Later on, I will be discussing about the prepositional phrase, as prepositional phrase refers to a group of words that would have a preposition within it. For example, in the classroom at this moment, you see that both the phrases are starting with a preposition, that is called prepositional phrase. Now, as these three kinds of prepositions are given importance: preposition of place, preposition of time and preposition of direction. Preposition of place is used to show the location or position of objects. Examples: on, in, under, over, above, beside, behind, among, between, in front of, etc. Preposition of time is used to show when things would happen. For example, on, at, in, before, after, since, for. And preposition of direction, that is used to show the direction or the movement from here to there, from a fixed place to moving position. For example, to, from, along, into, etc. So preposition of place is dealing with where, preposition of time is dealing with when, and preposition of direction refers to the movement in which any object is going through. Now, there is a list of prepositions. Let me read it. Abroad, about, above, across, against, along, around, amid, among, after, at, except, for, during, down, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, before, beyond, by, in, from, of, on, over, of, unto, until, upon, under, underneath, since, up, like, near, past, throughout, through, with, within, without, instead, toward, inside, into, and to. With the help of this diagram, let's try to understand how to use the preposition of place. If we consider the blue color as the surface of anything or any object, then on suggests किसी के ऊपर in a touching sense, under किसी के नीचे, in front of सामने, behind पीछे, over ऊपर, but not touching इसका मतलब थोड़ा सा ऊपर, next to बाद में, between दोनों के बीच, in किसी के अंदर, enclosed structure, on the left बाएं की तरफ, on the right दाएं की तरफ, around आसपास, opposite विपरीत में. Now let's study the use of in as a preposition of place. In is used to refer a position or state inside. He is in his school. वो अपने स्कूल में है. The man works in a shop. वो आदमी एक दुकान में काम करता है. So here the school and the shop both are the position or state inside. Use of at. At is used as a preposition of place for four different functions. Number one, in the area of a specific position. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही वर्क्स 2 hours a day at home. वो अपने घर में 2 घंटे हर दिन काम करता है. Before, small places. Example, I live at Lal Chowk in Srinagar. Srinagar is a city where Lal Chowk is a small place of that city. So before Lal Chowk we have used at, and before in, that is a city, so in is used. Number third, with a specific festival or event. I will come home at Diwali. Instead of Diwali, you can also say at Holi, at birthday, then also it is correct. Number fourth, while telling the cost of any product, जब कोई प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट हम बताते हैं तब at का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. I am buying oranges at ₹100 per kilogram. Use of on. On is used to mean touching the surface of any two objects. कोई एक चीज़ दूसरे चीज़ के ऊपर टच करेगा तब ऑन यूज़ होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द कैट इज़ ऑन द टेबल. बिल्ली टेबल के ऊपर है. द पेन इज़ केप्ट ऑन द डेस्क. डेस्क के ऊपर पेन रखा है. Off. Off is used to separate something from a place or position. ऑफ का इस्तेमाल होता है जब किसी चीज़ को उसके सतह से अलग करना होता है. तो I picked the mobile off the bed. मैंने मोबाइल को बिस्तर से उठाया. Monkey jumped off the tree. बंदर पेड़ से कूदा. Move the cup off the table. टेबल से कप को हटा दो. By is used at the side of, next to or close to. by का यूज होता है से, तक और बगल में और आसपास के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉज स्टैंडिंग बाई हिम. मैं उसके बगल में खड़ा था. ही लिव्स बाई माई हाउस. वो मेरे बगल में रहता है. जब हम बाय का यूज से होता है तो सेंटेंस इस तरह के होते हैं कि आई केम हेयर बाय ट्रेन, बाय लैंड, बाय एयर, बाय वाटर, मैनी मोर. So before any vehicle we have to use by that type of vehicle. I will come by 6 o'clock. मैं 6 बजे तक आ जाऊंगा. Like this. Use of under. Under is used in a lower position while the subject and object are not fully touched. जब सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट दोनों में फुल्ली टच्ड कंडीशन नहीं रहेगा तब अंडर का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. ही इज सिटिंग अंडर द ट्री इन द मॉर्निंग. द रिवर फ्लोज अंडर द ब्रिज. यूज ऑफ ओवर. ओवर इज यूज्ड in or at a position beneath the surface without touching. इसमें ओवर को यूज करने में थोड़ा सा ऑन से थोड़ा सा ऊपर, बट नॉट इन अ टचिंग प्लेस. देयर इज अ रूफ ओवर आवर हेड्स. देयर इज अ ब्रिज ओवर द रिवर. द फैन इज मूविंग ओवर आवर हेड. यूज ऑफ above. Above is used to mean higher than overhead in terms of list, in terms of level, or in terms of abstract noun. So examples are love is above money. Here love is given the highest or superior authority in terms of level. My country is above all. मेरा देश सबसे ऊपर. So if you judge all the preposition of place accordingly on, over, above, then उसका मतलब वो यही होता है कि on touching, over थोड़ा सा ऊपर but not in a touching place, और above सबसे ऊपर. Use of below. Below is used in or to a lower place, just the opposite of above. I scored below 80% in class 10th. मैंने क्लास 10th में 80% से कम मार्क्स मिला. The magnitude of the earthquake is below 7 in Richter scale. Below का इस्तेमाल होता है इंग्लिश में नीचे समझाने के लिए. Use of up and down. Up from a lower position towards the higher point. For example, he is climbing up the mountain. The prices of essential commodities are rising up. Similarly, opposite one is of down. Up ऊपर की तरफ, down नीचे की तरफ. So the meaning of down would be from a higher position towards the lower point or position. For example, the water level is going down day by day. Now the most interesting part of the preposition of place is the difference between and among. Between is typically used when referring to thing or to person. दो चीज और दो पर्सन के अंदर अगर कोई कंपैरिजन हो रहा है, देने की बात हो रही है कुछ, तब बिटवीन का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. जस्ट एग्जाम्पल, बिटवीन अ रॉक एंड हार्ड प्लेस, while among is used for anything that is more than two things or person. जबकि among का यूज होता है दो चीज और उससे ज़्यादा आदमियों को समझाने के लिए. With the help of examples we can clarify the meaning. Kindly distribute the books between Rohit and Raja. Rohit and Raja both are two people, two person, so between is used just in front of them. Only 5 players were selected among 30. केवल 5 खिलाड़ियों को चुना गया था 30 में से. among 30. So among 30 is a number that is more than 2. Now let's have a look into an exercise on preposition of place. After solving these 10 questions, I think that you will get a clarity of the content. Number 1, can you see a woman in the picture? पिक्चर के अंदर. Number 2, London is on the river Thames. लंदन शहर रिवर थेम्स के ऊपर. Number 3, the man is sitting on a table beside a table. It can be. Number 4, the mother sat beside her children, by her children, with her children. Anything it can be. Number 4, beside, by, with, anything it can be, depending on the options that will be given in your questions. Number 5, there are a laptop and a few books on the table. टेबल के ऊपर. Number 6, he put the money in the box. बॉक्स के अंदर, box which is a enclosed structure. The cat is hiding behind the door. डोर के पीछे. Number 8, why do you wear that ring on your first finger? फर्स्ट फिंगर में और ऊपर, in a touching condition. Number 9, can you see the helicopter over the palace? Number 10, the plane was flying across Scotland. स्कॉटलैंड के ऊपर होते हुए। Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, share it and subscribe the channel to receive future notifications whenever I upload.